Guys, summer's coming, so you want to be able to make your own drinks, your fusion drinks. If you guys can see, peach, nice. Put your little fruit in here. The lids are made of bamboo. You don't have to worry about water damage or anything like that. The actual straws are made of glass. They do give you actually some brushes so you can actually clean them in here. The lids have rubber ends so you don't have to, they won't spill over. And these are perfect for your lemonades, your iced teas, your iced coffees, and enjoy the night and the day because summer's coming. Very delightful and useful to actually take this with maybe some guests, yourself sitting in the front porch enjoying a nice cold coffee or your favorite drink, iced tea. Now, you could use them as regular glasses. You don't have to use them as with the lids and anything else, but they're make perfect for the guests who are coming over and enjoying the summer. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.